Children, good afternoon everyone. So how are you fourth class children? Everyone are fine. So everyone are listening the lessons or whatever here going on in our online classes. So here how many lessons we completed? So yesterday I told for you which lesson, that is a comprehension about Sheena and the castle. So here, so what the Sheena has been dreamed in her dreams, in a sleep. So she has dreamed a beautiful castle, a red rose garden, so a beautiful feast of the dinner. So queen has been invited for a priest. So here yesterday it is a small comprehension that we have been read. So today also it is a very small poem, that is a dog, my dog. So here lesson number 21. So here 21 lesson we have been reached here, my dog. So you know everyone what is mean by dog. So here he is telling it is a my dog, na yoka kukka, it's mine, nadi. So here he given a small poem only, it is not a big poem. So it is a very small poem. So I explain you by reading, and twice you also read and get this poem. I did never hurt my little dog. So what he is telling, he did not. So he did not ante tanu eppudu, he did not ante tanu eppudu tanu yokka hurt my little dog, whatever the dog is there, he didn't hurt her, dani hani eppudu tanaki cheyaledu, but stroke and pat his head. So here he is stroking his head and pat his head. Tani yokka meeda maadu untunda, he will be do like this. So I like to see the joy he shows, whatever the joys the dog will be shows, he want to see it. I like to see him fed, he want to see like a, how he want to see him like a fed. Poor little dog, he is very good. So here what is the little poor dog, it is a, she is a very, he is a, sorry not she, he is very good. So ikkada, a poor little dog is, it is a very good and very useful to me. Here he is a, whatever the dog is there, he is very useful, chala, it is very used to him. I will never vex or tease him then. So here whatever the, he will never, whatever toka pattukoni lagadamu, dani kottadamu, whatever here he is there, he will not do. Who is dog, whoever this boy is there, he will not hurt or vex or tease, dani edipinchadamu, tarvata toka patti lagadam, tease cheyadam tanu cheyyadu. As children sometimes they do. So sometimes they will throw the stones on the dog. So kukkani gelukutu untaru. So most of the children, whatever the most of the children, whoever there, so children వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు కుక్కని తోకబట్టి లాగడము, లేకపోతే కట్టెతో కొట్టడము, రాళ్ళతో కొట్టడము, ఇలా చాలామంది పిల్లలు ఏం చేస్తారు, దే విల్ బి టీజ్ చేస్తారు దాన్ని. సో కొన్నిసార్లు ఇలా జరుగుతుంది, జరిగింది కూడా. But I will give him milk to drink. So he will give milk. So తన యొక్క కుక్కకి తను ఏమి ఇస్తాడు, he will give milk to drink. తనకి పాలు తాగడానికి పాలు కూడా పోస్తాడు. A fire to make him warm. So whatever the he want to be, వెచ్చగా ఉండడానికి will be fire to the dog. So not to dog, near to the dog he will be, why he will make to be warm to her, to him. And when I need a kindness done, whenever he needs a kindness done by him, perhaps sometimes for few days. So perhaps here whatever, some future date will be there. Like these good dogs we have read about, my labor he will be reaped. So here he is telling perhaps whatever the dogs will be there in our house. So here the pet dogs. So whatever, the first thing is the dog is, what it will do, it guards our house. మన యొక్క ఇల్లుని కుక్క కాపలా కాస్తుంది. డాగ్ అనేది మెయిన్ థింగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ డాగ్ అనేది కాపలా కాస్తుంది మన యొక్క హోమ్. వాట్ ఎవర్ మనం ఒక పెంచుకున్న కుక్క ఎక్కడ పెంచుకున్నా అది మన ఇల్లుని కాపాడుతుంది, రక్షిస్తుంది. అట్ ద నైట్స్ ఆల్సో ఇఫ్ ఎనీ పర్సన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఇంటూ గేట్ తీస్తానంటే ఇట్ విల్ బార్క్, అంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి మొరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ ద డాగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ విశ్వాసం ఎక్కువగా, సమ్ పీపుల్ కుక్క కన్నా ఉంటుంది విశ్వాసం, మనుషులకు ఉండదు. లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ హియర్ ద డాగ్ విల్ బి గార్డ్స్ అవర్ హౌస్ అండ్ ఇట్ షోస్ వెరీ మచ్ ఆఫ్ విశ్వాసం అనేది చాలా చూపిస్తుంది. సో గుడ్ డాగ్స్. సో నౌ అబౌట్ వన్ డాగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ విన్. సో లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ సో మెనీ గుడ్ డాగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో హియర్ మై లేబర్ హీ విల్ బి repay. So here he will be repay to the again to read about the good dogs. So once again I will repeat for you twice. I will repeat. I did never hurt my little dog. I did never hurt my little heart dog. I did never hurt my little dog, but stroke and pat his head. But stroke and pat his head. I like to see the joy that he shows. I like to see the joy he shows. I like to see him fed. I like to see him fed. Poor little dog, he is very good. So he is very good. Poor little dog. And very useful too. And also very useful too. I will never vex or tease him then. I will never vex or tease him then. As children sometimes do. As children sometimes do. But I will give him milk to drink. But I will give him milk to drink. A fire to make him warm. Here, a fire make him warm. A fire to make him warm. A bed to lie on. A bed to lie on when he sleeps. So whenever the dog will be asleep, he will be keep for her a bed separate and keep him warm. Keep him from all harms. So whatever the harm will be faces, so he will be protect with her. And he keep for all harms. He will be keep the dog with all of the harmness. And when I need a kindness done, perhaps some fortitude there, like these good dogs we have read about my labor, he will be repay. So perhaps sometime fortitude there, like these good dogs we have read about my labor, he will repay. So this is about a dog, a small poem about a dog. So here a small work I will give for you. So here fourth class. So here the poem is there. So page number 101. My dog. It is a poem. So you have to what you have to do for this. So here draw the picture and write the poem. So you know everyone how you will do this one with the very good color pencils. You will take color sketches and you write very neatly. I know 4th class children, so you also draw this picture and write the poem. So this is your homework you think of. So whatever the left out there is there, I will be do for you. So now you do this small homework for me, okay? So just for your sake only I am giving to write and learn the poem also. Don't forget the poem to be learned. So learn this poem. Once again I will read. I did never hurt my little dog, but stroke and pat his head. I like to see the joy he shows. I like to see him fed. Poor little dog, he is very good and very useful too. I will never vex or tease him then, as children sometimes do. But I will give him milk to drink and a fire to make him warm. A bed to lie on when he sleeps and keep him warm and keep him from all harm. And when I need a kindness done, perhaps some future day, like these good dogs we have read about my labor, he will repay. So this is a poem that is of a dog, my dog. So here given for the homework. So next I will turn to the summative and formative assessment. I will go to the summative and formative assessment now. So it is a very little bit poem, a small poem. So now we will go to the summative assessment and formative assessments. So first one is, what is first one? Answer, stroke and pat his head. So it is a What is mean? Mean the same as touching lovely. Melia, touching or lovely. What is the answer? A, B, C. Hit the dog, pull the dog, touch the dog. The answer is C. It is touching. Here, touching lovingly. So ikkada tana stroke and pat on his head ante నేను చెప్పాను he is touching very head, very ప్రేమగా lovingly touching of the head. Okay, of dog. Keep him from all worms. Mean the same as the second one is keeping. Keep him from all harm. What is mean? So protect him, harm him, keep him inside the house. It is a A1 to protect. Dani kaapadadam. To protect him. So keep him from all the harms ante endante tanani rakshinchukodam. Prati oka ఏదైతే ఎదురుగా దానిని అటాక్ అవుతుందో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద హార్మ్ విల్ బి గెట్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ దట్. సో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రోక్ మీన్స్ టచింగ్ లవింగ్లీ, కీప్ హిమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ వార్మ్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ హిమ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ మూవింగ్ టు ద థర్డ్ వన్. హియర్ shortcut form in the textbook also in the poem is given. So you are given they. Here I will write the third bit number 3. He given shortcut forms. Okay, we have to fulfill what is that. Okay, C, D, E, F, G. So ikkada he given shortcuts. What? So U dash, they, V dash, C1 is N dash. So D1 is they, LL dash, E, V, LL dash. So these are he given shortcut form. Okay, we have to fulfill it. Mottamga rayali. So what is that one? We have to write it. Okay. So U R E ante U R A R E R. They have T H E they H A V have is not and what is not. They will. So V L L ante we will. So these are the వీళ్ళు shortcut forms ఇస్తారు. We have to fulfill it with the full. So Y O U ఇచ్చారు. Next A R E. They have is not. They will. We will. So cannot. And what is not. Next do not. Same. This is the full form of this all. So here see he given the shortcut form. We wrote in the full. V E he given. V E W E P E ఇచ్చాడు. So we have here wrote. So here that we completed the third bit also. Here how does the boy take care of his dog? So here ఎలా తన యొక్క డాగ్ని కేర్ చేసేవాడు ఆ యొక్క బాయ్. Here in the picture we have seen a boy. So how he used to take care of the dog he is asking. So now we will write in the answer how we will be care of this dog. That is the fourth one, last one. How does the boy take care of his dog? So answer we have to write here. So here I'll once explain you and afterwards I'll write the answer. The boy never hurt or teasing dog. His dog, he gives the dog food to eat and milk to drink. He keeps the dog warm and protect him from all harms. He stroke and pat his head to show him love. So these are the answer he given here. How he used to see this dog. The boy never hurt or tease his dog he gives the dog food to eat and milk to drink. He keeps the dog warm and protect him from all harms. He strokes and pats his head to show him love. So he used to care this much of a dog here. Okay, తన యొక్క కుక్కని ఇంతలాగా కేర్ చేస్తుండే. ఓకే, he used to never hurt. తను ఎప్పుడు తనని హర్ట్ చేసేవాడు కాదు, టీచ్ చేసేవాడు కాదు తన యొక్క డాగ్ని. నెక్స్ట్ తనకి మిల్క్ అండ్ ఫుడ్ హీ యూస్ టు గివ్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ హీ యూస్ టు కీప్ వార్మ్ అండ్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ హిమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ హార్మ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ హీ యూస్ టు stroke and pats his head on showing him love. So this is a lesson, that is my dog lesson. Children, here we completed the summative formative assessment also, poem also. So again I will repeat oval words. A, E, I, O, U, grammar part. Oval words ఏంటివి? A, E, I, O, U are the oval words of the grammar part. Next it is a parts of speech. So it is a parts of speech are also I explained you, as well as again notes for you also. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition. So these all are the parts of speech. Next punctuations kuda, it is a part of grammar. Next here active voice, passive voice, so past tense, future tense, present tense, this all comes into the grammar part. So here our English is a basic on a grammar part. మన యొక్క English దేనిపైన, it is a mainly grammar part. It is a very very important, it is grammar part. So here now we completed the lesson, so slowly we will also start the grammar part. So whatever noun, it is a name, place, thing, animals, etc. So here name, place, they will think. So instead of noun we use pronoun. So here the second one, so here we will learn more. I given for you notes also. So ikkada chala ante useful, what is main useful things in the English means, so less question answers will be there, more and more grammar part will be there. In every textbook you have seen the grammar part will come here. So summative assessment లాంటి కాకుండా అయినా ఒక poem, this is also, it is a grammar part only. ఒక poem ఇచ్చి he is giving for us the answers. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా, this all are also a part of the grammar only. So ఈ comprehension కూడా he will give the for us a small comprehension. After he will give the answers, question answers for us to answer from that, yes, that comprehension. Next here yesterday underline the compound words madam. So I given for the homework also for you. So and but you have to rewrite in your home notes. So many like this we are getting in our English textbook. So once again you also go through it and write whatever మీకు సాధ్యమైనంత వరకు కాంప్రహెన్షన్స్ అయినా సరే గ్రామర్ పార్ట్ నేర్చుకోండి. అండ్ మోర్ రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఇంగ్లీష్, రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ Next grammar part lo adjectives also there. Okay, next rhyming words, mostly it is a rhyming words also. It's very useful for us. So here everything is in the English textbook. Grammar part, if you learn grammar part very neatly, so you will be success in everything. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్క సబ్జెక్ట్లో ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ బేసిక్ ఏంటిది, యూ హ్యావ్ టు లర్న్ దట్ వన్. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక లెసన్ చెప్పాను, అది మీరు కరెక్ట్గా వింటే, ఇఫ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐ రోట్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ యూస్ఫుల్. నేను రాకపోయినా you will be right on your own when you listen the lesson carefully. Okay children, so here once again go through the poem. So from 1 to 21 lessons I completed, from 1 to, so from that lesson how many you know I don't know, but whatever I'm telling, if you understand, if you are not understand also, you take a help of your parents and elders, whatever tuition if you go, they also help each and every people. If you ask with interest, each and every people who know the study, they will help for you. Mostly they will help the whatever. If any person come to ask me to read, please tell this poem, నేను వాళ్ళు మన దగ్గరకు వచ్చి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించి చదువుతా అంటే ఐఎమ్ ద వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దట్. సో యూ ఆల్సో డూ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. ఐ విల్ బి సో మచ్ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ యూ. సో ఆల్వేస్ యూ ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్, I know, 4th class children. So here now I will leave my class. So if you don't have books, please take the books from school. So this is the 21st lesson. So here 2 more lessons only we have. So we'll complete the English 4th class also. So please concentrate on your studies. Now I will leave my class. Thank you very much children.